Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's the middle of the week and I need to do a look. So if you want to see what look I create, you already know what to do. Keep on watching. Okay, so we have this palette there. I think it's from Moira. Oh no, Cara. And the shades in there okay. I really picked the palette because it is Pisces and my husband is Pisces, so it's my sister. I think I have like a niece and a nephew, all Pisces. So Pisces it is. So the palette looks like so. Took out this little thingy and it looks like so. So I don't know. I don't know. Let's go into BFF forever. He is my BFF. My darling, my honey. All of it. So I'm gonna put this so I'm gonna do a spotlight eye. Not my favorite thing to do, but we're gonna do it. So I'll put in my brush. This is a Y208 and I'm gonna put this right here, just here. Just thumb this. And just leave it right here. For me, Cara is like a hit and miss. Sometimes I get some stuff that's really pigmented and blends very well, and sometimes not so much. So hopefully this is not one of her misses or their misses. Actually, I can already tell this is not gonna be good because it's already patching up. Now I'm gonna take that same brush and I'm gonna put it right here. See, like this, I don't like how this is staying already. Like so. This is one of the Trust the Process looks. Now this is a Y211. I'm gonna go into the popular one, which looks like so. And I'm just gonna use this to buff the edges. Oops. Trust the process. Trust. And then just blend this till it looks nice. Now I'm gonna go back to my face brush. I think I lost some of my stuff right here. This it's from Cosmetics. That should work. But this messes that your brush up, so you have to be very careful with that. I need a brush that I'm not so in love with. This will work. I try not to put this or use this unless I'm just gonna be out for a very long time, because it sticks it. I'm gonna put this in the middle. Like so. I'm gonna wipe this off because this is, by the time I'm ready for my next glue or my next eye, the brush is gonna be stiff. So this is a T53 from Makeup Shack. I'm not sure which shade. Let's try Water Lily. And if that doesn't work, then we can go into something else. And this is a really teeny brush. This is a 213 from Morphe, and I'm going into Kindness Rules, and I'm gonna put this on the edge. like right here. I'm gonna go back to that shade a little bit into BFF forever. I'm just kind of above this off. You don't want it to like look seamless, you know? Okay, so that's it for this eye. I'm gonna go off camera. I'm gonna do my other eye and I'll be right back. Okay, so we are back and time to talk about Miss Chanel Beige Touch the Tint Water Fresh Complexion Touch. That is a lot. So there's 16 shades and it is $70. $70. It comes with a little brush and I'll show you guys, but it is pricey. So this is the bottle and then this is like, and this is the brush. It's like a baby brush. Like, I don't know, this seems annoying. So they said to put it on the back of your hands like so. Okay, then use the brush, you see it's like right here, to like blend it, I guess, and then apply. I feel like this will take all. Now for my concealer, I'm gonna go ahead and use my Tarte Shape Tape. Oh god, I put too much. You know, lately I've been saying I'm gonna stop using so much concealer, but I just go to tongue. I just go to tongue and then it's not good. It's not good. Let's try this again, man. This is so dark. Like, it's so dark. I think I got too much of a dark shade. It's deep. And by the time I got it, it was already like I didn't want to return it, so I'm just gonna like, I think when I apply it, I just have to go with a light hand. Like, I know, you know, light hand is not in my vocabulary. But I feel like that's what I have to do. Just light handed, you know? Man, I teach my niece about her forehead, but Jesus Christ, I have a big forehead too. Ooh, see how dark this is? Like, I definitely need to go quite just guys. And then I'm just gonna go in and use my slick brush and blend this. If you get this concealer, guys, don't leave it long. I haven't used this concealer for a while, so I think I know, or kind of get it down on how to like make it work for me. And I have my timing like perfect. I leave my concealer on for like a little bit because I think when I do that, I get a little bit more coverage, you know. But when you get concealer that like this concealer that can be a little drying, one, if you have dry skin, moisturize. I don't have dry skin, but I do have like fine lines, so I use I use this before I put my stuff on. But just moisturize, make sure you moisturize and you'll be Gucci. But this, like, you want to like do it, and then you want, if you want to do that, like, you want to check it, you know, like you want to check it periodically to make sure it doesn't get like super hard, because if it does, or dry, sorry, why am I saying hard? Because if it gets super dry, you're gonna have issues blending it. Then my Charlotte Tilbury powder. No, I'm gonna use my House Slap powder. I feel like I'm getting rid of that glow that I had, but I'm good with that because I don't really like glow like that. So we're gonna go in with this brush. This is a 734 powder brush from Luxie. Just go in my powder is like broken, like the cover, but I'm still gonna use it because this is my Sephora Micro Smooth powder. Like we're using it. Probably like $30. It's okay. I always have this like pimple. It's either it's this side or it's the next side. This is actually not a bronzer. This is it's just a powder. So Shy, it's the Born This Way multi-use complexion powder. But I got a dark shade or darker shade. Looks like this, and I'm gonna use that to bronze. I think it's a little bit more kind of yellow than I usually go for my bronzer, but I think I go a little bit more neutral maybe. This brush is nice, but the price is not nice. Let me use this from Plain Makeup by Yolondo. It is the Bloom Blush Palette. I'm gonna mix Dahlia's Zina and Holy Hawk, which is a yellow. I'm trying not to go too heavy. You really don't want any blush that's just gonna go like real crazy, you know, like really quick, because then, you know, you can lose control of that real fast and then have a real mess, you know. And this is Flexitarian from Colourpop. I don't know, too crazy there. I just put like a green on my waterline, just something quick. Actually, I'm gonna just put this shade right here. Do need a mirror because this does not have a mirror. I was gonna put green, but I don't know. This green doesn't look like it's gonna pop. Let's see. Like you literally can barely see this. And I'm gonna put my Fake It from Tarte or Fake Away in my waterline. Like so. And I did a little something for my inner corner. We're almost done. Maybe I'll put the center stuff in the corner. So Water Lily. Let's do Stone from MAC. Maybe. Because Stone looks like, you know, a little bit like it's been through it. And then I'm gonna put Fetish Mauve from Nabla. And then over top of that, Anastasia Latte. And let's put a little Professional on here. Great. So everything looks amazing. So yeah, so that's it guys for this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and you know what? I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.